up and saw you.
Oh, I thought that was yours. I was like, what?
It isn't? Oh, no, it isn't. But, like, when I was coming up the road, that was when I first had it. Like shit.
And I was like, told me right, sir.
Should I stop now or?
Yeah.
I was like, maybe I should drive home.
How much times have you grinded fourth gear?
A lot.
Dude, it's gonna be like impossible to stay quiet with this. You can't just be like